Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about VDRs in agribusiness securing the food supply chain. Significance of data in agribusiness. Modern farming and data. The integration of technology into farming practices has increased the significance of data agribusiness from soil health analytics to image, imagery. Vast amounts of data are generated and stored. Supply chain integrity. As products move from farms to tables, ensuring that the security and traceability of data at every step is vital to maintaining the integrity of the food supply chain. Challenges faced. Agribusiness often deal with fragmented data sources, a diverse range of stakeholders, and the need of share sensitive information with parties such as regulators, partners, and investors. Role of VDRs in agribusiness. Civilized data repository. VDRs provide a secure platform for agribusiness to consolidate diverse data sources from farm yield statistic to transportation log. Securing sharing. Whether it's sharing quality control reports with regulators or investment data with potential investors, VDRs ensure that sensitive information remains confidential and is only accessible to authorized parties. Regulatory companies compliance. Agribusiness often need to adhere to strict regulations, and VDRs can help maintenance and present compliance documents in a structured manner. The way forward for agribusiness with VDRs. Building trust. As consumers become more conscious of food origins and safety, VDRs can help agribusiness establish trust by ensuring transparency and data security. Operational efficiency. VDRs streamline data management process, reducing redundancies and ensuring timely access to critical to crucial fundamental information, leading to better decision making, risk mitigation with secure data storage and controlled access mechanism. VDRs minimize the risk of data breaches, ensuring the protection of sensitive agricultural data. Closing thoughts. In age where data drives decision, VDR stands as a pillar security and efficiency and for agribusiness, ensuring that the journey of food from farm or fork is transparent, traceable, and trustworthy. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.